The richest man in China, Jack Ma, said, "If you put the bananas and money in front of the monkeys will choose bananas, because the monkeys don't know that money can buy a lot of bananas." In fact, if you offer work and business to people, they will choose to work, because most people don't know that a business can make more money than a salary. One of the reasons the poor are poor is because the poor are not trained to recognize the entrepreneurial opportunity. They spend a lot of time in school, and what they learn in school is to work for a salary instead of working for themselves. Profit is better than wages because wages can support you, but profits can make you a fortune. If you don't learn to recognize opportunities, you will continue to choose the safe path rather than the profitable one. Don't forget to follow us.